Hi guys, and welcome to Miss Disney Reviews. Check out this really cool set from Play-Doh. It is called Sparkle Snow Dome and it features a beautiful Elsa and Anna. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's a green sparkle Play-Doh, a brown and orange one. Also, you get this special white sparkle Play-Doh. There are two cutouts, so here's the tree and here's a snowflake. So with the base, you get this really cool background. There's a lot of snow, and here's a snow waterfall with Olaf dancing. So you can put it either way, like this or this. You also get an attachment, and here is a sparkly snow dome. Here are antlers for Sven. And the best part is you get two figurines. So here's a really tiny Anna and the beautiful, beautiful Elsa. So here's some lovely green sparkly Play-Doh. So here's the tree stencil. Let's try it out. That's pretty cool. Let's try out this sparkly white Play-Doh. Here's a snowflake stencil. And here's a really cool sparkly snowflake. Now let's make Sven with this brown Play-Doh. So here are the four feet. You can just put a cut using your nail, just like that. And let's place it like that. And here we have Sven. And now for the final part, the antlers. This is a really cute Play-Doh Sven. So we need a snow layer on top of the base. So just roll out some white Play-Doh. And just place it over here. Next, just place the beautiful Elsa. Here is Anna. And let's try out this snow mountain. Wow, that's super awesome. So it all sparkles. So make a few balls. Here are the feet. Then comes bottom part, which is a bit bigger than the middle. Something like that. The head is a bit tricky, so what you do is pull out a little part, and then the head is also a bit round at the top. Next you'll make a smile. You can just use your nail, like that. Next, here is his tooth. And a funny looking nose. And eyebrows. So let's try to attach the head. So let me know what you think of Olaf. So now let's complete our sparkle snow dome. So there's a background with Olaf. I'm gonna place one huge snowflake right here. Now let's cover it with the lovely sparkly dome. So guys, let me know what you think of this beautiful sparkly snow dome. And thank you for watching Miss Disney Reviews. Thank you.